How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 screen dimming. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display. Now click on display, and if you turn on your adaptive brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your adaptive brightness, then turn off your dark mode. If you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off. After turn off your dark mode, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.